In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on this gear at the top right one and manage those options under alarms however you wish to. Then go back and tap on this plus to create new alarm. First of all, set up an hour. Then scroll down and click on days of the week that you wish to set up. Following that, tap on alarm ringtone and choose vibration intensity at the top to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for this alarm. Go back, click on ringtone from internal storage and apply any song from your device by clicking on it. You can also just select one of those sounds instead. When you finished, hit label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. To save it, select OK. Now tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off, use this switcher next to it. To turn it back on, hit the same, now grey one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and click on this pin at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!